Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable live captions on Zoom. So first you need to log in your account. Click on my account. Then tap settings in meeting. Scroll down to make sure closed captioning is toggled on green. Check the new box Enable Live Transcription Service to show transcript on the side panel in meeting. Optionally, turn on Save Caption as well for the ability to save the transcript of the class. Be aware to have this option off for confidential meetings. Then, click Save. Now, you will have the option of enabling captions, transcription, subtitles during Zoom meeting that you host. To make live transcriptions available to meeting participants, hosts can select the live transcriptions button in Zoom and then select Enable Auto Transcription. Check your closed captioning Zoom meetings, Zoom settings to be sure that the Enable Live Transcription service to show transcript on the side panel in meeting box is checked. Once enabled, participants will see the CC Live Transcriptions button available in the Zoom meeting. Participants can be assigned to type captions which will augment auto-captioning when both are enabled. All participants will have the option to enable subtitled and see the full live transcription of the meeting in the sidebar. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.